chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make her just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and you click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. I cannot thank you enough. And first of all, I just wanted to show y'all my shirt. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. I'll kind of stand up where y'all can see. Like, is this not so cute? Like, I love it. I got it from my friend Iris, and if y'all have to check out her website, it's, well, I'll link it down below, but she owns rural, I can't ever say it, oh my god, I'm gonna butcher this for her. I tried saying it earlier, and oh my gosh, but it's rural, oh my god, I'm just gonna like put it down here and link it below. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Iris, but I tried to say it. Rural aura. I don't ever sound right. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna link it in the description box. She has the cutest clothes. The cutest. Oh my gosh. And you can just go check her out. Check out her website. It's awesome. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. Next month is gonna be a really hard month. For those of y'all who haven't been watching my videos for a long time, I want y'all to be able to understand why I may seem out of it, and to please just bear with me. So let's just go ahead and get started. First off, I have been loving this combination of primers that I'm fixing to do. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And I'm just going to kind of spray that on my face a little bit. I just kind of spray that on there and let that soak for a little while. But I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes first. I'm going in with my new Instant Grwm Eraser Dark Circles to prime. And today I'll be using my Tartelette Toasted palette. I always love the smell of Tarte palettes. But anyways, I'm going to go in with S'more, which is that shade right there. And I'm just going to set my concealer with that. For those of y'all that haven't been watching my videos very long, oh, I hate talking about this. So I'm just going to say it and link the video so I don't have to talk about it. My husband is not my first husband. I have been married before. I mean, he's still my husband. He always will be. But he was in an accident last August when I was 8 months pregnant and didn't make it, and with it being August coming up, really out of it, you know. I don't know how else to explain it other than when I'm filming, I try my best to be bubbly and fun and entertaining, but like if I'm just sitting here doing my makeup, I'm gonna seem out of it. I can't always just put a smile on my face, even though I try my best for y'all, honestly. But I just want y'all to understand and just bear with me, please. I'm trying to give y'all the most fun videos I can, but it's really hard. I'm gonna go in with Cashmere. Yeah, Cashmere. I'm gonna put that in a crease. 1 second, I'm trying to keep so busy and not think about it, and then the next, I can't stop crying. And if my daughters are awake and I'm with them, like, it's a lot easier to stay strong, because I mean I have to for them. It's really hard. I know it'll be like this forever when it gets around, you know, Father's Day, his birthday, the anniversary of the accident. I just need y'all to understand that, please. And the whole, oh, it'll get better with time, blah, blah, blah. Like, no, it's not. It's never going to get better. I'm not just going to wake up one day and not care, not miss him. Like, I get so sick and tired of people saying it'll get better one day. Like, all it does, honestly, is just agitate me. And I'm just being real. please don't say that to me, because it's never going to get easier. Every decision I make, every choice I make, I mean, everything I do on a daily basis completely changed that day. My whole world was turned upside down, from the way I go to bed, the way I wake up in the morning. Every part of my day, my life changed that day, and it's just not, there's nothing in this world that can take that pain away. I hurt just as much today as I did the moment that I found out, and it should get better, but I'm never gonna stop caring. I love him more and more every single day to this day, and it's always gonna hurt. And the older our daughter gets, the more I'm gonna want him here for her first moments, and honestly, it just hurts worse. I'm fixing to go in with latte and put that in my crease, but I'm not going to put it as high up. But anyways, I just wanted to clarify why I may seem out of it in the month to come. I'm trying my best on camera, but it may not always work out that way. And so I just wanted to get that out of the way. I don't want to talk about that the whole video, because it's really hard not to break down crying right now. Some other stuff going on. Next Monday is my mom's knee replacement surgery, so I'll be helping a lot with her, but I am going to make sure, you know, I film and get that up on my Thursdays and Sundays. I'll do my best to have some bonus videos in between, but I really just want to make sure, you know, that she's okay. My aunt went through it a few years ago, and it was really rough, but my mom's is going to be a lot different. Hers is going to be like this robotic knee, so I'm hoping, you know, her recovery time will be a lot faster. And I'm hoping that this will help her, because it hurts so bad for her to even walk 2 steps. Like, I hate seeing her in so much pain, knowing that there's nothing I can do about it, because I'm one of those, like, if I see somebody hurting, or for whatever reason, if it's physical, emotional, whatever, like, I love to help. I want to make people feel better. And it kills me that I can't help her. I just love being there for people. Anyways, so at this point, I'm at 993 subscribers, and I am so excited. I'm so excited. In the video I'm going to link about my husband, it explains why I started YouTube and why it means so much to me. And I'm just adding more as I go, just to get to the color intensity that I want. And I'm making sure I just blend it out really good. Anyways, I'm going in with Cozy. I have the hiccups yet again. I'm going to pat that down here. I'm so excited. I ordered a new table for in here, because this one's, if y'all saw it, like, it's so small, and I just couldn't deal with it anymore. And I'm just blending that around the edges and bringing it over in my crease some. And I'm not really worried about if it gets messy over here, because we'll clean it up whenever we do our foundation. I'm so excited that I'm almost to 1,000. Maybe by the time I get this video posted, I'll be at 1,000. I'm just excited, because I love giving to others. So I'm so ready to do this giveaway and find out who the winner is, and hopefully make their day, because all of y'all completely make my day when y'all subscribe and comment and like and all that. Like, every single like, every single comment, everything, every single subscriber, like, it completely makes my day. I can't stress that enough. I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and just blend around the corners, or around the edges. So I hope everybody has had a great summer so far. Ours has been pretty good. I'm really excited. In September, we're gonna go on vacation with his dad, with my husband's dad, and he hasn't seen him in like 2 years. And we're gonna be able to go on his birthday, and that makes me so happy. I'm so excited. So I do want to do a Q&A video. I had mentioned it before in another video. There was a couple of questions, and I took a screenshot, and I guess I deleted the screenshots. So I need to go find that video. But if there's any questions that you want to ask me, comment down below, and I will screenshot them and save them for that video. And please, like I was talking about with that, please don't tell me it's going to get better in time. Like, if you've said that before, like, I don't even remember who all said that. Like, that wasn't aimed towards anybody. It was just like for future reference. I know that everybody that says that, like, they just want to help. They just want to show me that, you know, hey, I'm here for you, and that means everything to me. But I mean, just say, hey, I'm here for you. I'm fragile, you know, like, I'm so fragile when it comes to stuff like that. And saying that, I do get offended, you know, like it's not going to get better. I hate people making it seem like it's just something I can get over, because it's not. And I know that's not y'all's intentions at all. Like, I know y'all are just trying to be here for me, and I love y'all, and it means everything to know that y'all are here for me. It's just something that I would rather not hear. Like, until you've been in my shoes, like, you don't realize that that's stuff that you don't want to hear. My mom lost her husband over 30 years ago, and she still hurts just as much, you know? So it doesn't get better in time. The pain never goes away. You learn to live with it the best you can. And with our daughter, knowing that she's never going to get to meet her daddy, you know, this man that wanted her more than life itself. Anyways, whew, I gotta change the subject again. Me and my husband went to the gym yesterday. My main focus is still cardio because I want to lose my stomach, but I'm finally trying to tone up my arms and legs some, so we worked out on that, and my arms are so sore today. Like, lifting a brush, just a brush, is killing me over here. Okay, I'm just going in with this little brush, and I'm going in with Sunrise. Oh, it's so sore, y'all. Anyways, I'm going in with Sunrise to highlight my brow bone. Okay, now I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend that. Alright, with a tiny pencil brush, like this little just tiny brush, I'm gonna go in with Fireside and very lightly dip into that, and very lightly put a little bit of that in the outer corner just to deepen it up a hair. And I just want to blend it. Alright, now I'm going to get a cream shadow brush, and I'm going to get my primer water, and I'm going to spray that real good. And I'm going to go in with Candle. Oh, this hurts my arms, y'all. It hurts so bad. But I'm going to put that on my lid. And this color, it's so intense, y'all. Alright, I'm just going to blend the edges a little bit. Alright, that's all we're going to do with the eyes right now. Alright, for a primer, I'm going in with my Kane & Austin Prime and Protect Mattifying Primer. I love this primer because it has SPF 50 in it. Alright, for foundation, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. And I'm going in with Light Medium Beige. And I'm just putting this all over. Alright, and I'm just going in with my huge Real Techniques Body Complexion Sponge. And blending that out. I had a lot of comments on this from my video from Sunday. And it's just like the smaller one, except for it's bigger. Casey Holmes uses it, and I love watching her videos, and so watching how fast it was for her to blend out her foundation, like, it sold me. So I got one. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with that Age Rewind concealer, and I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin. And I'm just going to use that same sponge and blend that out. And my daughter's waking up, so I'm fixing to have to pause filming. Before I go in there and get her, I do need to set everything. I'm going in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. I love this thing. And I'm going in with Enhance, which is that like banana shade. And I'm going to use that to set underneath my eyes. And I'm going in with the Shape Tape setting powder. I love this stuff. Alright, I'm going to go get my daughter, and I'll be back whenever my husband gets home from work so I can finish. Okay, so he was home. He was just taking a shower, so I'm back. I'm going to go in with Carrot and just kind of use that just to bronze the face just a little bit. Alright, and you can always go in with the stippling brush and make sure everything's blended out real good. Alright, next I'm going to go in with Angle and use that to contour a little bit. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with my Gourmande Girls palette in C309. And I'm going in with that middle coral peachy shade. Alright, and for highlight, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. I love this stuff. I love this highlight, y'all. Like, love it. I'm going to go back in with the Tarte Lit Toasted palette. And I'm going to go in with Latte. Latte, sorry, y'all. Put that under my waterline. I'm going to take just a little bit of that cozy shade and put on the outside part. Just going to get a brush and just blend it. I hate my scar. Like, it literally starts up here and it comes all the way down here. I hate it. Alright, I'm going to do my brows off camera quick and I'll be right back. But I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics Brow Power in a Universal Taupe. Universal Taupe, whatever it is. It's universal. So it's a universal word. So I can say however I want to. I'll be right back. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going in with the Amazonian Clay eyeliner from Tarte in the color Blondes. In the color Bronze. And I looked for this and I could not find it anywhere. So I will not be able to put a link for this one, but I'll have everything else linked down below. But this was one that came in a set that my late husband bought me, so. Alright, and for mascara, I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Lash. I love this stuff. Is that upside down? No. Anyways, I love this stuff. Alright, for my lips, I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in Candy K. And I love this stuff. Alright, and to set everything, I'm going in with my Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. By the time I upload this video, if I have not yet, hopefully pretty soon, my 1K giveaway will be going on. And like I said, I'm very excited about that. And I want you to be able to be a part of that. Don't forget to comment down below any questions you may have for my Q&A video. I'm going to start working on that pretty soon. And if there's any other videos that y'all want me to do, just let me know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!